Hi guys, Roxanne from Tiny Home Living here. Just gonna go out quickly. It's like 7 p.m., something like that. It's kind of a crappy day, cloudy, but we did get some rain for the garden, so I'm happy. Chris got his netting in today, and he just mowed a little path with the small lawnmower and is going to put some netting up so the chickens can go into the tree line and have lots of grass and bugs and everything to eat, so that'll get them excited. They get so excited every time we walk near them now, or they hear our voices, because they think they're going to get clover. So we think they're going to really enjoy going into the bushes in the tree line and have some free range room there. So just going to look at what Chris is doing here, trying to get this set up. And he made a little door to go in the end of the chicken run here, so that they can just come straight from there across to here and have all this nice long grass and everything. Hopefully they're not going to fly over this little fence. But some did get loose before and they didn't go anywhere, so we'll see how this works. What if we went straight through here?
Yeah, I'm going to cut this off right here.
Okay.
Right here.
Yeah.
So we got to cut the grass.
Yeah.
Get the lawnmower.
Oh, okay. So where do you need it cut? Okay. Not me. Somebody else. Now you want to go across this way?
No, I think it's worried about grass.
Okay.
You got to just make sure it reaches if it's tight.
Yeah.
So just drop that one.
Not quite. Well, what if we take that end one out there, Chris, and just bring it across here?
Okay. We just have to basically let them in and then close it.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll just wait.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe you should go like in closer to the tree, because you're going to want to cut the grass along here, aren't you? With the tractor?
Cut that.
Oh.
Find a soft spot here.
Hmm.
Stick that in. I thought it was steel all the way up. Just a steel pin in the blade.
Oh, yeah. Why don't you just overlap them like a foot or something?
Oh yeah, I gotta go.
Okay.
Here we go, cut the grass.
Well, do you have to?
Well, it says to cut the grass down. It doesn't short out the whole thing.
Oh, okay. I'll just do that then.
Everything here too. And up there. And over there. No, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's softer there anyway. What do you think, chicken? Where's Rusty? Go find Rusty. Oh, okay. Yeah, I keep forgetting you're gonna electrify it.
I gotta get some bugs on it.
You wanna borrow mine? You don't get any pickies in them. So you can sort of see where Chris has gone in a fairly big circle. This is a lot bigger than I thought he was gonna do. But the chickens ought to really like this. Kind of went through the... This is gonna be electrified, so that's why we had to sort of mow the grass on the ground where it's running along, just quickly. But you can see how short a distance it is from the chicken run to here. So hopefully this won't be too difficult. I'm not quite sure how we're gonna get them from there to here. I think a pail of clover. Is that why you got the clover in the pail, to lead them over here?
No, that's the
Oh. I think they would just follow you with the clover. They just hear our voices and they think they're getting clover, so I think they might follow us right over there. Some of them are outside, some of them are in. They seem to be enjoying that tree, the downfall for the perch. Might put another one or two in there. We put them in the chicken tractor and they weren't using them. Too fat and lazy, I guess, to jump at this stage. So, but these guys like them. This, some of the stuff is actually sprouting up in the garden already. Look at that's the garlic. Now that was, what, a few days ago. Very few days ago. And this stuff here is the stuff that had gone, had sprouted in the fridge. It was organic garlic. I don't know, I'm pretty sure it didn't go this far, so this must be the seed garlic here that I've used, and it's sprouting in almost every single hole. Chris was saying that some of them are going underneath the ground cover like that, so he's having to check them and make sure. There's a few here that don't have any, but that one there is very, very tiny and it's coming out, and this one is way bigger. So pretty happy with that. This, I don't remember what's in this row, but I am just amazed at this stuff all coming up in just a few days. Really happy. Something coming up in these ones too. Could be a weed, don't know. Something coming up in these ones too. So yeah, and the tomato plants are looking awesome. So, very happy with these. Lots of grass seed taking now that we've had some rain. So this will all be grass. It'll be much nicer. We can walk through here and not get covered in mud. We're going to schedule the meat birds to process them next week sometime. We don't want to leave them much longer because with it we don't want them to develop the problems with their legs that so often happens. The other thing I wanted to mention, we had a massive ant hill in this corner of the garden last year, And sure enough, when we were planting this year, we thought we had gotten rid of it. We make a homemade ant killer out of borax, sugar, and water. And so I made up a big batch, and we put it in the caps here and just put it for the ants to come and get, and I guess they take it back to the nest. So not too many of them crawling around here now, which is good, because we have found some absolutely massive ant hills on the property here. One over where our youngest son had pitched his tent last year, so that could be really unpleasant. But anyway, we make a homemade ant killer. We put it in those bottle caps because we don't want to just spread it everywhere and then not remember where we put it. Again, because we're worried about our little dog eating stuff. She never seems to bother with that, which I guess they just have good instincts, or maybe don't like the smell of it. But anyway, that seems to be working on this anthill. Christy found another huge one out in the field somewhere, so we'll maybe get around to that, but it's not a priority right now. So he's just going along and making sure there aren't any sticks in the way of this. And then we're, I guess, going to do some chicken herding. Try and get the chickens in here. I think they're just going to love this. And of course, then we can just move the fence to another spot if we want to. So this will be great. So this is the product that Chris is using. We're just trying to figure out how to hook it all together and where the wire, the electricity goes. But I just thought people might like to know what he's using. This is made in the USA, which of course makes us a lot happier than some of the other stuff. I mean, if you can't find something made in Canada, it might better be the USA. Me reading mechanical stuff is just plain silly. Waste of time. Oops. I don't know if that's better or not. Not really looking at the fence. That's a little bit. Is this from the light or?
That's the right wires. Not just up there like that, or you can hook it on the key post.
Okay. So this is going to be run by this little solar powered thing, which again, so many people are going with this sort of thing, you know, to power fences and that sort of thing, going with solar. I need a solar powered camera. That's what I need. It seems like the batteries always run out, you know, when you're right in the middle of something. But I did read the reviews on this camera, and that was one thing that they mentioned. So that's why I have 3, and I have them numbered so that I cycle through them all the time, know which one I'm using and which one's to be used next. So, like I said, Chris has got this little solar thing to power the fence. It's hooked up there. I'll just use a spike for the ground, I guess. Can't have too many 10-inch spikes laying around. or 8-inch, whatever they are.
So it'll work.
So I'm just gonna look at that. It's hard to see in the light what that thing is called.
It's just a small one.
Yeah.
You don't need a one for. It's good for 3 acres.
So I guess we could put them out here for like a couple hours before we have to put them in for the night, eh? Look at these guys. Like, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah. You want to follow a pail of clover into the woods? Well, that little piece of plywood, will that work? That piece of plywood? See if that, see how we do it. Chicken herding this time? They always come to you anyway, so I think you should just get the pail of clover and leave a little path maybe.
Come on, Rusty. Rusty. Rusty, come on.
Some of them are still roosting over. Oh, Rusty's still over there too.
Rusty.
Look at him run.
Come on, Rusty.
Some of them are looking out the door too, like, what the heck's going on?
No. No. No, don't go in that hole.
Gee. Come on, freedom is this way. You need your herding staff? Come on, chickens. Rusty's poking his head out.
Hey, Rusty. Come on. Come on, Rusty. Come on. Here, Rusty. Here. Here. Rusty. Come on. Come on. Come on, Rusty. Rusty. Here. I have to bring the machine out, I think.
I guess. There's a little stick up on top of the 4x4s there.
Come on, Rusty. Come on. Here. Here, Rusty. Rusty. Here. Here. Come on. Here. Here, coming.
Oh, now these guys are coming.
Come on, Rusty. Here. Here. Come on.
They're all stretching their necks to look over the plywood.
Come on. Chuck, chuck. Good boy. Everyone's in there.
Yeah.
He's eating
One guy.
clover right
One
off,
girl.
right off the ground.
Yeah.
Here. Come on. Come on. Here. Chuck, chuck. Come on, Rusty. Rusty. Here. Here, Rusty. Come on. Come. Come on,
Come on,
Rusty.
chicken. You need a chicken whistle instead of a dog whistle.
Rusty, come on.
So funny.
Rusty.
Look at them all standing at the gate.
Come on, Rusty.
These guys looking out. Mm-hmm. Come on, you guys. You're going the wrong way. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Come on, Rusty.
Come on, chickens. I guess it's best to just let them wander over that rather than scare them, eh?
Yeah. Come on, Rusty.
Look at him looking over the plywood. That's so funny. They're so curious.
Look at Rusty.
Yeah.
Like an ostrich.
Yeah. Uh-oh, these two are going back.
Come on, Rusty.
Don't be a follower, be a leader. Come on, you guys, there's more nicer grass in there. You want me to try and shoo them?
Yeah, just slowly. I like that cardboard in there too.
Yeah.
Just go slow.
Yeah.
In behind the detail.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Rusty. Come on. Here.
My chicken herding cardboard. Come on, you guys. You go.
Come on, Rusty.
No, Rusty, don't go that way. Come on, this way, this way, this way. Come on. Uh-oh.
Come on, buddy. Oh, now we got two escaping.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'll go along there with the cardboard and see if I can get them that. Come on, Rusty. Back this way. Come on. Come on. You want to grab him, Chris?
Come on,
They're
Rusty.
kind of going in the fence. They're trying to. There you go. Good boy. Come on, little chicken. Oh,
Whoops, Daisy. I guess
flatten the chickens. Now they're all. No, you guys stop. These guys all want to go back. The one's going inside. She's like, I've had enough of this.
No, you can't walk through the fence. Oh, for Pete's sake.
Oh, for Pete's sake, it's right.
Not electrified. So.
Come on, chickens. Come on, chicken.
Come on, Rusty. Come on.
Come on. Come on, chicken.
All right, we'll just have to let him go on their own.
No. No, Rusty. Okay, you keep him from going.
Okay.
Don't you think you were killing them? Come on, go in there. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Trust me. Look at Rusty. What the heck?
Look at this one.
Oh no. Well, what the?
Not electrified, right?
Oh.
Not charged.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's a bust.
Yeah.
Here they come. Well, two of them.
Are you just gonna let him go back in the
Yeah,
run?
let him go back in. We'll have to get this charged.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
other ones are behind here.
Oh dear.
Come on, Rusty.
Here you go. No, this way. This way. No, you can't go through the fence. You're supposed to be smarter than that. Come on. Here you go.
Come on, Rusty. You're going to have to count them now.
Oh my goodness.
Or in here.
That did not work very well.
Come on, Rusty.
Chris is chasing chickens back there. They walked right through the fence because we didn't have it electrified yet. So, and they're getting upset, so we don't want to upset them anymore. These guys are coming back outside. Don't know if they're gonna want to come over here. We're gonna have to count the chickens because we don't know how many we lost in the woods. They literally just walked through the fence.
Oh, they're in there.
Where? Oh. This is where a couple of them went, into the compost. Oh dear. Come on, Rusty, go back in. These crazy chickens, they try to walk right through the fence. So maybe I'll just close this then, Chris?
These three are coming.
Oh, okay.
They go through that hole there in the end.
Can they go through there?
See there?
Can they fit through there?
No, through the end.
Oh my goodness, they can. Okay, girls.
That one might not.
Go on, that way. No, come on. Come on, you guys. Go home.
Come on.
There you go, you're almost there. There you go. There you go. In you go. You're back home, safe and sound.
Oh, he went down.
Okay, chicken.
A little bigger.
Okay, chicken. Oh, it's just gonna go right in the chicken house, Chris. Oh, that's funny. Come on this way. You're almost there. Look at, she's like, how do I get in?
Where is it?
Right there. Look, she's trying to figure out how to get in.
I'm ready.
Can I go in this way, she says? Yeah. You can go in that way if you want. Oh my goodness. There, you're almost there. There you go. Oh my goodness. Well, that did not work out too well. I wish I had gotten some footage of them walking right through the fence. Everybody's happy. They're back in their little comfort zone. Maybe I'll give them this half a pail of clover, because I don't like them being upset. Yeah. So we're gonna wait until that thing isn't charged yet, because it is solar. So we're gonna wait till that's charged so they don't walk right through the fence like they just did. That was kind of funny. But like I say, we're not experts. This is all new to us. So we didn't expect the chickens to walk right through the fence, even if it isn't electrified. But they're happy here, and we don't want them upset. So I'm just gonna give them some clover so they're not too upset with me. Hey, you guys.
Put along in piles right along there.
Okay.
Just put along in piles.
Okay. There you go. Look. That was pretty traumatic, wasn't it? Eh? That was pretty traumatic.
Here they come.
Yeah.
They're happy when they got clover.
That was pretty traumatic, wasn't it, girls? Oh my goodness. That was pretty traumatic. Yeah.
Where's Rusty?
I don't know. I thought he was in here. I don't see him. Maybe he's inside.
Come on, Rusty. Rusty.
Hey, you guys.
Come on, Rusty.
Yeah. We'll have to get you some more to make up for that fiasco, won't we? Hey?
Here he comes.
There he comes. Here's Rusty. There you go. You've got a feather sticking straight out of your side, like you've got your feathers ruffled. Hey? You already picked my hand. You're not going to get away with that again.
You just hold it by the stem and he picks it up.
Good boy. Oh my goodness. Grabby. Yeah. There you go. I'll go get you some more and make up for that very upsetting episode. Yeah. You're getting some pretty tail feathers, aren't you, Rusty? Yeah. I think maybe we should put another one of those fallen trees in here. They seem to really like that.
Yeah, I'm going to take the one out of the chicken tractor.
Yeah.
They don't use it there.
Yeah.
Hey, Rusty.
Here, Rusty.
That's too big. See?
Yeah, that's funny. Just dropped it.
I love that clover.
I'll maybe go get them some more. They've been so traumatized. Got some more clover for the girls to try and make up to them for being such crazy chicken herders, terrible chicken herders. Hey girls? Yeah, terrible. Look, there's some more clover for you. Yeah.
Automatic feeder's working good.
This is apology clover. Look. Where's Rusty? Come on, Rusty. Hey, Rusty. There you go. Grabby.
It's like a shark.
Holy. Here. Hey, chicken. Hey, chicken. No need to be pecky. Yeah. Here you go. Some for you?
And Rusty.
Where's Rusty? Where's Rusty? Jeez. What about you? Oh, my goodness. I was just giving you some clover. What about you?
Some of them are shy. They're not.
Here. Here you go. I'll take it. Here you go. Here you go. Now some of them are looking out like, I thought we were going over there. But that is going to be it for today with this chicken herding foolishness. They're happy. They've got their apology clover. We made friends. They don't like me as much as Chris. He spent a lot more time with them than I have. So I am going to get supper. I am starving. It must be like almost 8 o'clock at night or something. So I've had enough of this silliness for one day. Time to eat. Sit down. It's beautiful like this time of day. Just love it. We just saw a whole bunch of stuff popping up in the zucchini, squash, and cucumber row too. So pretty happy about that. Well, that's enough chicken herding and chicken silliness for one day. Us being the silly ones, not so much the chickens. Anyway, like and subscribe. Follow along with our craziness and ring that notification bell. Share this video with your family and friends. That'll help us out a lot. And we'll see you next time.